Alright guys, today we're going to talk about the Bluetti AC50. Alright, so I bought this Bluetti AC50 from Amazon for about $370, I believe, back in September. It's pretty cool. It's got 500 watt lithium battery, and so it can charge up quite a bit. We've got your DC 12 volt port. You've got your DC USB ports and your two AC ports, and also your DC outputs right here, a 12 volt 3 amp, or actually two 12 volt 3 amps. And cool thing about this is it's got a little light on the back. I don't know if you can see that very good, and it also does a SOS mode. Your input for your solar panel is right here. I believe it's a 5mm port. And so I've been using this thing for about 2 months now, and it's been working pretty good. I mainly use it for charging my USB devices, laptop, cell phone, drones, and to run my 12 volt fridge through the 12 volt port here. Now, the issue I'm having is my AC ports are not working. I believe the inverter may be burnt out. I tried calling Bluetti about this. They said they were going to have a technician call me within 2 days, and that was last week. It was the week before, the week of Christmas. I called them Monday morning, and they said they would have a technician call me within 2 days. Haven't heard from them. I figured they were probably out for the holidays, so I called back again Monday of this week, which was after Christmas, and they told me that I need to send them an email. So I sent an email about 2 days ago on Monday to see if we can get it repaired or replaced. Still haven't heard back from them 2 days later. So I'm still kind of seeing what's going on with it. I'm not sure if I'm going to send it in to have it replaced yet or not, because I've mainly been using the DC power, and I was reading on their website that it could take 2 weeks to process the exchange. So yeah, I'm not sure if I want to go that long. It may take another week or two for shipping, so that's quite a long time without power. So thinking I may just roll with it as it is for now, and then eventually when I get a bigger rig, I'm just going to build my own solar system. If you've got the money and the time and the know-how, I would suggest just building your own solar system, because yeah, for the price I paid for this, I mean, it's pretty good value. But if you know what you're doing with electrical, you can build your own system pretty cheap. So yeah, I would just suggest building your own, and that's definitely what I'm going to be doing in the future. And for now, I'm just going to run with this as is. So I'm a little disappointed in the customer service from Bluetti. If you guys are watching, feel free to reach out to me. I'd really like to get this replaced in a timely manner. Yeah, so that's really all I got to say about it now. So until next time, we'll see you guys on down the road.